We said that we are asked to look for November, and we said it was Samsung. Sales, under sales, I'll say equal to index. I'll hit my tab key. Array, what's the main array? We're looking for sales. Sales, where all the sales are, will be the main array. So I will come from the first one, even if Samsung was in the second column, it does not matter. Come and highlight all the sales. When you highlight it, you come and then do what? You say, comma. You then bring your match function. So you can match out the lookup values to these sales amounts that you have captured. So I'll come and say match, because it's match that will do that for me. I'll say match. Now, what do I want to match? I say, let's start with the months. We want to match these months for all and apply it to all the months. To do that, the lookup value, I will choose March. I will choose November here. Then I say, comma, lookup array. Where is this November found? Which range? We say is in column A. So we'll go to the first month. Even if, okay, you can see November is down. So we'll go to the first month and highlight everything there to the last month. Then we say, we'll come here. And then we say, comma. Then we say exact match. We want the exact match. Then say bracket close. Now we say comma. And then we invite our match again. So say, let's focus now on what? Samsung. So to focus on Samsung, lookup value for the new match, we say Samsung. We then say comma. Now, what is the lookup array for Samsung? Where is Samsung found? You know, it's the brand. Where is brands found? What's the range of brands? This is the range of the brands from column B to column D. Column B row 1 to column D row 1. So that's, you can see range, Samsung line. So come there and highlight Samsung like this. So the last brand. Once we have done that, we now say comma, exact match. Then we say what? Bracket close for this open second match, and another bracket close against the index. Once we are done with that, we hit our enter. It brings the results telling us what? That for the month of November, we sold Samsung products worth 392,000. I then said that because of the syntax we have entered, the index match, looking at the two lookup values which this question contains, making it an advanced search or lookup operation, an advanced lookup operation, we can now perform other analysis, other checks. For instance, if we say for January, what was, maybe we want to compare the sales for January in same brand of Samsung and November. I will just come to months here and enter January. I don't need to go and repeat the formula in another row. I hit enter. Automatically, it brings up 120,000. And if you go and check, you can see that in January, we got 120,000. That's what we sold for Samsung. If we want for other products, we'll just come and change the brand. Maybe we want to now know for November, what was the total sales for Techno. I will come here. I will say what? TECHNO. That's Techno. I hit my enter. You can see, it tells us that for November, we sold 221,111 for what? Techno. Can you see it, sir? If we now say we want to know for Infinix, we say INFINIX with our enter. It tells us that for November, total sales we made for Infinix is what? 70,000. If we say for April, any months at all, just go and change the months to April. It will tell you how much we sold for Infinix in April. That we sold, you go and check it, and that's it. In Infinix here, we sold 222,020 naira. That's what we're expecting everyone to do, to think outside the box, because first thing you need to look at, what's the first lookup? This is the first one, sales. So for that one, you're going to use your index, since the index returns a value that is in a one-dimensional range. So after that, you then look for the brand and the month. So for those two, you use different match to be able to do that. So this is where we're going to round up, sir. So I will send the video, then you practice, then everyone will revert where they have questions. So thank you, sir. I think that will be all. Good night.